Learn these 5 skills and watch your bank account grow. Do you ever wonder why some people keep growing rich even without luck or fancy dress? It's not because they work harder, it's because they work smarter. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful skills that can make your bank account grow every single month. So, overnight miracle, just pure skill, power that changes your financial life. So, stay till the end because the last one is the most underrated but the most profitable. Skill 1, financial literacy. If you don't understand money, money won't stay with you. Learn how to budget, invest, and manage debt. Start with simple things, track your expenses, understand your cash flow, and learn about mutual fund, SIPs, and emergency funds. When you control your money, you control your future. Remember, earning money is easy, keeping it and growing it is the real skill. Skill 2, digital skills. The world runs online now, and digital skills are the new currency. Learn content creation, video editing, SEO, social media marketing, or basic coding. These skills open global opportunities, freelance jobs, remote work, and even your own online business. Start small, learn from YouTube or free platforms, and grow your digital income step by step. Skill 3, communication and sales. Every successful person is a good communicator, whether you are selling a product, pitching an idea, or asking for a rise. Your words decide your worth. Learn to speak with clarity and confidence, and remember, sales isn't about selling products, it's about solving problems. The better you sell your ideas, the more opportunity chase you. Skill 4, AI and automation tools. We are living in the AI era. Those who use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, and automation systems will be 10x more efficient. Learn how to use AI to save time, generate ideas, and make your work smarter. AI won't take your job, but the person who knows AI definitely might. Skill 5, networking and personal branding. Your network is your net worth. Build a relationship with people who inspire you, collaborate with you, and push you to grow. Also, create your personal brand online. Share what you learn, your skill, your story. Opportunity come to those who visible, not those who stay silent. Conclusion. So here is the truth. Your degree can get your job, but your skills will build your wealth. Start learning, start applying, and watch how your financial graph changes. Because success doesn't come from luck. It comes from skill, consistency, and mindset. Comment below which skill you will start learning today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real life growth content.